Hello guys, Julian here from Just8ate.com, and today I will be doing an unboxing video. That's right, dab, I got a box. Alright, let's open it up and see what it is.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the box, and lucky for you that you don't see the address. But if you are wanting to send out something to me, definitely check out the link in the description box below. I do have my address in the description below if you want to send me something. So yeah, let's get this baby going, yeah? Take a guess. What's inside? What's inside? Who's it from? Who's it from? Comment down below. Yeah, it's exciting. Bum, 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 bum. My handy dandy scissors doing the job right now. Yes. Ho ho ho. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Thank you so much. I love you. I just keep on saying, I love you. I love you. Okay, so some of you guys know I love Dos Muertos and that's Day of the Dead theme. And so here's a box of lollipops that is Dos Muertos themed. Sugar Skull lollipop rings. Alright, well thank you so much to Twilight ASMR for sending me this amazing box. So here's a little story. So Twilight ASMR, I love her so much, and I watch her videos, and there's a bug on my face. And I watch her videos, and we support each other, not just here on YouTube, but at the same time on Instagram. Yes, Instagram friends. If you're not an Instagram friend yet, make sure to be an Instagram-ater too, okay? And Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest and my blog, Just8ate.com. Anyways, so she was shopping in her Instagram stories, and I said, oh my gosh, are those somewhere where I could get them myself? And she's like, oh, I'll just get them to you. I'm like, what? You're gonna send them to me? Oh my god! And here they are. So sweet. Definitely check out Twilight ASMR whenever you can, because she's just a doll. I love you. Mwah! So I will be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Thank you so much for all my haters that are watching right now. Oh my god. If you're wanting to send me something, definitely check out the P.O. box that's in the description box below. But I'm just so flabbergasted. This is Day of the Dead theme. Oh my gosh. And it's 18 decorated lollipop rings. Check it out. Do you see? Can you see? Awesome. Yeah. And they're cool. I don't know if you guys already know, some of my cooking videos, I have a little shot at the fridge of all the cool stickers and magnets that I have on my fridge. And most of the time, it's Day of the Dead theme, or I'm always wearing, well today I'm not wearing it today, but Day of the Dead themed shirts. So yeah. And for those that don't know about Day of the Dead, it is always around Halloween time, and Dos Muertos is a let's just say a Mexican cultural Halloween. It's literally the day where you would celebrate your ancestors that have been passed on. So whenever you are around Halloween time or Hallows Eve, for my UK friends, yes. So after Hallows Eve or Halloween of October 31st of every year in the United States or around the globe really, November 2nd is Dos Muertos, which is the Day of the Dead. And so in Mexico and other Latin countries, I believe, you literally have an altar where you would put all your ancestral pictures to remember your family members. The more you remember them on that day and you give offering to the altar, it just, I don't know, it's a good aura to remember your family heirlooms and to have good memories. And so that's what I love about Dos Muertos, other than the fact that it's skulls and colorful and all those good things. And then of course, there's the I'm Japanese Filipina, and so my husband's Mexican American. That's why, you know, kind of ties in together for the Day of the Dead theme. But in Japan, we do celebrate Day of the Dead over there, but we call it Obon Festival. The Obon Festival is around August, is when the Japanese, or the Asians, I guess you could say, hashtag Asians, we have Obon Festival around August, and we literally do celebrate the dead again there, and try to remember our ancestors and to give thanks to our ancestors and family heirlooms. So anyways, a quick shout out to Twilight ASMR again. Love you, girl. Love you so much. For these awesome lollipop rings. Oh my goodness. Aww. I will be doing an unboxing and try one of these out one day, but that'll be for another video. Okay, alright. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell if you like this video, and the like, because it just helps the channel. Okay? Alright, so here's going to be the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Stay tuned! Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
Thank you so much for all my aiders that are sending me stuff through the P.O. box. I really do appreciate it.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much.